Welcome back. Private ponds, a pool, and absolute privacy. Faisal Susiwala takes us inside a multi-million-dollar estate with a feature you rarely see in a residential property. Take a look. Hidden away in a forest-lined pocket of Cambridge, 1927 Shellard Side Road is a storybook estate built for a life well lived. From the gated entrance, a winding drive leads you past rolling greenery to a residence that feels more like a park.
So we're sitting here on over 28 acres of rolling land, ponds, a man-made lake, which is turned into a beach with a waterfall. This property has 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, over 10,000 square feet above grade of living, and just some really unique features.
The home was envisioned as a custom retreat for a retail titan who spent his career on the road operating 18 different locations. He wanted a place where he could unwind and invite friends and family along. The heart of this home, a magnificent great room with soaring ceilings, but it's the versatile layout that defines the interior. Who is the ideal buyer for this?
Well, someone, first of all, who loves to entertain. This property is meant to be used for entertaining, but multi-generational families. There are wings in this home. You know, there's a guest wing, and then there are stairs going up to a private primary suite, and then other bedrooms that are on the main floor for someone who can't do stairs. So it really fits multi-generational, someone who's entertaining. You're somebody who's just looking for some sanctuary, privacy, a retreat. It's a resort-like property.
The resort label isn't an exaggeration. The grounds featuring imported sand for the beach and a signature waterfall wall that creates a destination vibe right in the backyard.
It reminds me of something you'd see in Vegas at the Wynn, you know, with the wall with the water coming down.
And as much as this estate is about peace and quiet, it's also about high-performance hobbies. So Faisal, we are in a lot of homes, as are you, every day. This property has something I have never seen anywhere else. Do you know what I'm talking about?
I do.
Let's go take a look.
Let's go.
At the side of the house, a feature that allows the owner to bring a piece of the outside in. What exactly is this? Where are we standing?
So we're standing almost at the front of the home here, and you can see this garage door. This garage door is specifically to bring motorcycles in and stage them here and then bring them down this ramp.
So this is inside the house, because this isn't a garage we are in.
No, this is at the very side of the house, and there's a gym out here. There's a motorcycle ramp to take the collection into the lower level.
Now, you deal with a lot of high-end properties. Is this rare, or is this something that a lot of people have?
This is very rare. I've seen car garages. This is the first motorcycle ramp that I've seen in a home.
From the Moto Masterpiece ramp to the 28 acres of private hiking trails, this is a sanctuary designed for those who want to live large and bring others along for the ride. And if you would like to see Shellard Side Road in person, there's Faisal's contact information right there on your screen.